Hi guys! Starting today, I'm gonna show you a series of video tutorials I make about procedural cartoon animation in After Effects. You'll most likely find it very useful. The subject of this lesson is bullet speed lines. It can be energy shield or what have you. A pretty easy and cool FX animation that anyone can make themselves. Okay, first thing you do is you create a full HD composition. Then you create a solid and add optics compensation with these settings. FOV 107. The FOV orientation should be horizontal. Select the solid and click S on your keyboard to open the scale settings of the layer. Uncheck Constrain Proportions and set X to 130 and Y to 90. Apply fractal noise and move it over the optic compensation. Then set contrast to 2100, brightness minus 388, transform scale width set to 3100, scale width 40. Hold on Alt and left click on time vary stopwatch. Now write this down. Square bracket value, bracket 0, bracket asterisk, open bracket time, asterisk 10, close bracket, comma, value, square bracket 1, close square bracket, and another one. We need this in order to set the motion of our speed lines. Okay, and again, hold on Alt and left click evolution and add the time of 250 expression. Then duplicate the solid and apply the curve effect. Add a new vertical and shift first and second. Add fast blur with 45 of blurriness. Create a new solid and a new mask on top by using the pen tool. Then select Alpha Matte in the Track Matte section. Add expressions, wiggle to position, scale, and opacity. For position, wiggle, open bracket 8,50, close bracket. For scale, wiggle, open bracket 8, 10, close bracket. For opacity, wiggle, open bracket 8,20, close bracket, millimeters. Mask feather should be 250. Now pre-comp all layers. After that, create a new adjustment layer and add tint effect with map white to blue. Then apply glow to this layer with glow threshold set to 22%, glow radius 27, glow intensity 0.8. Add another layer with a hemisphere mask like this. Select pre-comp composition, add an oval mask and correct the contours of it. And come back to the previous layer. Open mask's properties and change mask feather to 60 by 60. Mask opacity to 45%. Mask expansion to 30 pixels. And select pre-comp composition again, change mask feather to 10. Also, we have to cut off the part of the shape using a new mask. Set mask feather to 160 by 160 and mask expansion to 40 pixels. And the last step, pre-comp all layers and change the scale to your liking. Okay, we've done it. Easy peasy, just like this, right? If you're not familiar with After Effects but you want to see how it works, I'll share the original free AE project with you. This element is a part of Dynamic Cartoon FX pack with over 100 procedural elements where all FX animation have easy controls, and what's more, you can customize them in many different ways. You'll find the link in the description. Okay, I think that should do it for this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next episode. Have a good FX.